Hey, hi friends. Today I am just going to talk about how Execute SQL Task will be working in the SSIS. So here, if you see right, the Execute SQL statement mainly used to perform the SQL operation in our SQL Server databases. Okay, so whatever SQL task, you guys already know whatever DDL command, DML command, all thing, right? We can do creation, insertion, updation, deletion, like kind of SQL operation we can perform in our SSIS by using the Execute SQL Task. So right now I have created one of the packages. So the package right now it is empty. So I'm just going to drag and drop the Execute SQL Task in our control flow. Okay. So here in this video we are just just to open the SQL Task editor. Here in general you can see the connection type always OLEDB because not always, but I am just using OLEDB to connect our MS SQL server, since I am having this connections created already. So even you can create ODBC, ADO, not all thing, right? So now the connection whatever I have created already, this is the connection string I have selected. Right now whatever we are seeing in this tutorial, a SQL source type is direct input. So the direct input means we have to pass the SQL query directly. We are just going to pass the SQL query directly by using the SQL statements. Though that means whatever here we are providing the SQL statement, it will be executed in our MS SQL Server database on the particular object. Okay, right now I'm just having the query handy. I'm just having this is the query, this is the table already having the input. If you see there are 4 records, I'm just inserting right now one of the record. Okay, so here this is the simple select statement. Okay, simple insert statement I'm just taking and I am just pausing. Okay, so that's it. Now we are not doing any parameter mapping, nothing, because this is the direct input. We are not passing anything, any parameter. Okay, then click OK, save it. Now run it. So the package execution completed. So just go and check whether the records got inserted or not. Just select it, so it's inserted. So this is the way you have to play around with this Execute SQL task. Thank you so much for watching this. Bye.